Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to make a project, and that project is you'll be having a PDF file. So that project will be convert PDF to TXT file. So we all know that whenever we just make a PDF, so the extension is .pdf, right? Whenever we just use this extension that is .pdf, our file is basically saved into the PDF format, right? Now after that, if we make a text file, so that's basically having the extension as .txt. So whenever we just add that extension that is .txt, so a file is actually saved in the text format, right? This is the whole idea which actually goes on. So basically today I'm just going to tell you how you can just convert that .pdf to .txt extension using the Python program. So now you will not be needing any further software, any particular app, any Google search like that for converting a PDF to text. Now you can just convert that on your own. Right. So basically, let's start with the program for now, and I would just let you know that the library which we are going to use today is PyPDF2. Okay, so that is PyPDF2. Okay, this is the name of the library that we are going to use today. So what I'm just doing is that I'll just go onto my terminal and install that library for my IDE which I am using here. That is PyCharm. Okay. Okay, let me quickly write down it here. So I would write pip, and P would be capital, Y would be small, and it would be PDF2 pip, and after pip I will just write install. Okay, pip install, and I would just leave the space between pip and install, right? So this is the library which I will be installing, and I would just do enter here. So basically it will be installed. For me it is showing that requirement already satisfied because I have already downloaded this file onto my device, right? So for you it will be basically installed, and after that it will show that successfully installed, right? I would just even write the command here also, that is pip install now. Please make sure to write the correct spelling and correct characters for the PyPDF2 library. I'm just again repeating that once more, that P would be capital, Y would be small, and it would be PDF and then stu, right? Fine. So as soon as I have installed my library onto my folder, onto my IT which I am using, I would be importing that. Okay, so I would just simply write here import, and name for my library is PyPDF2. So I just simply write import PyPDF2. Okay. Now, basically, come on to the next line. Now, in this next line, basically, what I'm just gonna do is that I'm gonna read, firstly, open my file and read my file, that PDF file which I'm just talking about. Read that PDF file onto basically in the RB mode. RB. Okay, this is the mode which I'm just gonna use. So for that, basically, I would just use as read underscore PDF. Let's say this is the variable name that I am making. Okay, now variable names totally depend on you, that basically what you want to make, what you do not want to make. But for me, let's say I'm just making read underscore PDF. Okay, now if I just want to read a file, so that thing I've already discussed in the basically whenever we had just discussed about the file handling, I've already discussed. So it means quickly repeat that here. So whenever basically we want to deal with the text file, so in that case basically we use the file handling technique. For reading, writing, or basically any or doing any operation on a file, we just the first thing is that we need to open the file. So for that we use a function that is open. Okay, I would write here open, and after that the name for my PDF is datascience.pdf. This is the PDF that I have already stored in my PyCharm folder, actually where I'm just making the project. Into that folder only I have installed and basically stored this file. Okay, so datascience.pdf, I just put a comma, and here I would just put my remote, and that is RB. Right. Now basically read underscore PDF is equal to open datascience.pdf RB. Now basically what I'll be doing is that I would be using my PyPDF2 library, and with that some function of this library, and after that I'm just reading this read underscore PDF variable. Okay, this is the thing which I would be doing. So I would just make the another variable reader underscore PDF. Let's say this is the variable which I'm just making reader underscore PDF. Okay. Now for that I just mentioned that firstly I would be taking my PyPDF2 library, right? So I would just using that PyPDF2 library here. I would put a dot. Okay. Now after this I would just use one function. You can say a class, but you can just call it anything, whatever you just wish, which we have in this PyPDF2 file, and that is PDF file, and it would be reader, R-A-D-E-R, okay, PDF file reader. Now this PDF file reader is actually used to read my file, my PDF file, which I have given here. So the name for my PDF file is datascience.pdf, and that thing I have stored in the variable which is read underscore PDF, right? So I'm just putting a bracket here and I would just add read underscore PDF, right? This is the thing which I have just done here. Now after this I would just come on to the next line. Now basically what we have, actually what we have is that we have many pages on the PDF files, right? Now for how many pages actually you want to read, it's not the case that let's say you are having 100 pages in your PDF file and you want to convert all that 100 pages into a text file. If this is the case, then it is okay. And if you just want to convert 1, 2 or 3 pages into that thing also can be done here, right? Let me show you how to just write it in the form that basically how many pages you want to read here. Okay, let's say I take a variable and that is num underscore pages. Okay, num underscore pages is basically the variable that I have taken, right? Now in this, firstly what I would just doing is that I would just write PDF, and basically it would be reader underscore PDF, the variable in which I have just read my PDF file. So that is reader underscore PDF dot, and I would just put a dot, and here I would be using the function that is num pages. Okay, this is a type of function that we have here, which is num pages, right? Now basically what I'm just doing is next index basically line. Here in the next line I would be just reading and getting writing that basically how many pages I just want to be converted into the text file. Okay, how many pages I want. So num underscore pages is done, and I will just write here I will just write here co convert underscore pages like this. Okay, convert underscore pages. So it means that basically how many pages do I need here to be converted, right? So after that I would just use here the basically the variable which I had made, and that is reader underscore PDF. Okay, so into this variable only I have stored my PDF file reader, and that is read underscore PDF. I read my file, right? So that I have done. Now in the bracket I would just write num underscore pages minus 2. Now basically here whatever the number of pages you want to convert into the text file, that number of pages you will be writing here. Okay, let's say in my file, in my PDF which I have taken, that consists of 2 pages. Okay, I want to convert that 2 pages into a text file. So I have just written here num pages minus 2. Right, so this actually goes on like this. Whatever number of pages you want to convert, you can just put that here. Fine, let's come on to the next line here. And here I would just take a, let's say, variable. And that's a, let's say, my next variable which I'll be taking here is, let's say, text. Okay, let me just take it as text here. So text is equal to, and now I just want to extract the text. Okay, so I just not take it text here. I would just take it as extract extract underscore text. Okay, this one. So in this file, basically I'll be using a function that is extract text. Okay, so I would just make it the another variable, and that is one is my convert underscore pages which I had used here. Convert underscore pages dot, and here I'll be just using that extract, and here that text function. So basically that will extract all the text which is onto this file which I have just taken, which is datascience.pdf. Okay, whatever the text I am having onto this file, all the text should be extracted, and now I will be giving a particular position that at what position do you need to save this text file that you will be making. Right, I'm just giving a particular very particular position for that thing. So just come on to the next line, and let's say I would just take a variable that is location. Okay, now into this location variable I would be just putting a bracket. First I would just use the open function. Okay, now I would just put the bracket here, and I would just put the R mode. Okay, R, and I would just put the semicolons. Now inside the semicolons I would add that position where I just want my file to be saved. So I've already written that position here which I have, and I would just paste it here itself. Right, so this is the position where I just want my file to be saved. That is C, then users in PyCharm project, and then Python project 2. Inside this I want my text file to be saved. And what name should be of that? So I just want my text file to be saved as a name of datascience.txt. Okay, this is the name in which I just want my PDF file to be saved in the format of the text, right? Datascience.txt. And after that, here I would be just using a mode. That is basically my append mode. That is to add something. Okay, that I have done. Now, basically, I would just again use that variable which I had just made right now. That is location. Now, basically, I would just use a function that is write lines. Okay, now this write lines function will basically like it will convert and like write all the lines of the like PDF into that text file. Okay, now basically what to like write and what to write, that we had stored in this extract underscore variable and extract underscore text variable, right? So I would just add on that text here. Fine. And at last, basically what I'm just doing is that I would simply close on my file here. So that is location dot, and I would just close it like this. Right, so here I have just completed my whole program. Now just let me quickly do one thing. Let me quickly run out my program here. Okay, I would just run my program here. So okay, it is give me some error that PDF file reader object is not callable. Okay, let me just go above and see that what is the issue that we had made here. Okay, py pdf2 dot pdf file reader. Okay, and that is read, and in the bracket we need to just put on a read underscore pdf. Okay, after that reader and reader. Okay, convert underscore pages reader underscore pdf. It is basically also correct. And yes, this is actually right. I do not know that what's the issue. Read underscore pdf, it is given here, data science dot pdf. Okay, okay, let me quickly run it once again and let's see that basically what happens here. Okay, in line number 9 it is saying that type array PDF file reader object is not callable in line number 9. Okay, this line convert underscore pages. Okay, that is num pages minus 2. Okay, let me just do one thing. Let me make it to 1 here. Okay, let me just make it to 1 here. Oh, actually I'm sorry, I've just debugged it. Let me just quickly close this from here and I will just run it now. Okay, right, so PDF object is not callable. It is basically giving me this error. Let me just check out that what we had done here actually. Num underscore pages minus 1. Okay, so basically it is giving me the error in line number 9, that is convert pages reader PDF. Okay, I just forgot to write one function here, that is get page. Now basically this get page is the function which I forgot to wrote, and it will basically help me to get the pages from the file which we had taken, and P would be capital for the page. This get page. Now it's okay. Now let me quickly run it once again. Fine. So basically here it will not show me any output, but the location which you have chosen here. Okay, what are the location you have chosen? At that location basically it will show you a text file. Let me just go on to that location, that is here. And yes, here somewhere above it will show me that that is from the name of D. And what about the PDF and the text? Okay, let me just quickly, I need to find it out that basically where it is. Okay, yeah, here it is. So this was my PDF, that was data science, and this is my text file, that is data science here. And now basically here you are able to see all the text file, which is basically all the text things whichever I have written onto that PDF file, that has been extracted as a PDF file, as a text file here. Okay, even this is my PyCharm same folder, and on this basically left hand side also I can just find out this data science.txt. This is the whole thing which I have just got here as an output, which has been extracted from my PDF file to my text file. Right, now basically I hope that you have got a fair idea that basically how you can just extract the text from the PDF file and convert that .pdf to .txt extension without using any software or app. Simply you just need to write a program in the Python and your all of the PDF files have been converted into the text file. Right, so this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.